Citizens of the financial battlefield, welcome back. Adjust your headsets, grab your coffee. We are decoding the deep state deductions live from the Mr. Tax Radio HQ. The broadcast starts now. The IRS is counting on your exhaustion. They want you to look at that pump, sigh, and swipe your card until you're hollow. They want you to believe that inflation is an act of God. It's not. It's a strategy. And if you don't have a counter strategy, you aren't a taxpayer, you're a donor. Welcome to the Masterclass. Today, we stop donating. Why does a missile in Iran cost you a steak dinner in Ohio? Because the system is designed to pass the pain downward. In March 2026, the war premium is adding 23% to your overhead. But here is the secret the suits in DC won't tell you. The tax code is written in pencil, but the law of economics is written in blood. When expenses rise, your deductions must evolve. If you are still using 2024 tactics for a 2026 war, you've already lost. The IRS tells you, take the 67 cents per mile. It's easy. It's simple. Simple is code for expensive. When gas was $2.50, the standard rate was a gift. At $4.15, it's a prison. Listen closely. If your vehicle costs more to fuel than a small jet, you switch to the actual expenses method tonight. Gas, tires, insurance, and the holy grail, depreciation. By documenting the reality of this war, you can unlock a deduction 35% larger than the simple route. Don't be simple, be surgical. Inflation is a predator. It eats the value of your cash while you sleep. The counter move? Asset conversion. Under Section 179, you can buy the equipment your business needs now, the heavy trucks, the servers, the tech, and deduct 100% of the cost off this year's taxes. You aren't just buying a machine. You are moving your money out of a dying currency and into a tax-free shield. Lock in today's prices with tomorrow's tax savings. But that is how you hedge a war. I met a man named John last week, a delivery driver. The IRS was set to give him a $4,000 refund next year. Meanwhile, John couldn't afford the gas to finish his route this week. I didn't give him a loan. I gave him a W-4 adjustment. We recalculated his withholdings to stop the IRS from over-collecting. Instead of a $4,000 gift in 2027, John got $350 extra every single month starting now. He used that cash to pay for the gas hike. John didn't wait for a hero. He became his own. But John wasn't the only one trapped in the IRS fog. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah runs a small flower boutique. She has 3 delivery vans. When the gas prices spiked to $4.15, her profit margins didn't just shrink, they vanished. She was ready to sell a van just to pay her quarterly taxes. I told her, Sarah, don't sell your tools, use them as a shield. We sat down in this very studio. We looked at her 2025 books. She was using the standard mileage rate. I moved her to actual expenses. But we went further. We triggered the Section 179 deduction on a new, fuel-efficient hybrid van she bought in January. The result? She wiped out her entire tax bill for the quarter. That money didn't go to a government building in DC. It stayed in her gas tanks. Sarah didn't just survive the gas war. She expanded her business while her competitors were busy complaining at the pump. All right, looks like we've got a live one. We are taking calls. Auditor from Sector 7, you're on Mr. Tax Radio. What's the question? Mr. Tax, I'm an Uber driver. Gas is killing me, but I'm scared to switch to actual expenses. Won't that trigger an automatic audit from the IRS? Great question, citizen. Listen to me. The IRS wants you to be scared of your own shadow. An audit isn't a death sentence, it's a math test. If you keep your digital receipts, I'm talking apps like MileIQ or even just a folder of photos, you aren't triggering anything. You're just proving the truth. Don't let the fear of a paperwork check cost you $3,000 in deductions. Document your struggle, and it becomes your shield. Class is over. The battlefield is waiting. You have the tools, you have the shield, and you have me in your ear every single day. Go to the link below, grab the gas war blueprint. The IRS has the power to tax, but you have the power to optimize. Like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow citizen who is tired of losing. Class dismissed. Last thing, citizen. The battlefield of the IRS is complex. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal or financial advice. Always consult with a professional. Stay safe out there.